How to report mini app on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points and then click share profile. Now click these 3 points and then scroll down until you find report, and here is it. Here you can manage here you can report mini app. It's easy, and that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.